RHS Pre-calculus presents The One Rule to Rule Them All, How to Solve and Apply the Law of Cosines.
Hello, my name is Frodo Baggins, and I'm on my way to Mordor to meet mathematical enlightenment. However, I have come across something I did not expect. My friend Gollum, a pathetic little creature, has informed me that an army of orcs is 50 miles away. My traveling companion barely escaped from their camp with his life, and thus has told me that the orcs are stationed at a camp that is 35.35 miles away from Mordor, at least a day's travel away. I need to know how far I am from Mordor so that I can get there before the orcs do. Luckily, I know that the orcs are at a 105-degree angle from Mordor and me. But how do I solve this problem?
My name is Aragorn, and I am trying to get to the city of Minas Tirith so that I can reclaim my position as the King of Gondor and defend the city from the army of Mordor. I only know the distance from Minas Tirith to Mordor, which is 95.12 miles. From my research, I know that Mordor is at an angle of 35 degrees from my position in Minas Tirith. I don't even have enough information to set up a problem yet.
Whoosh! Frodo, my lad, I see that you are in dire need of assistance, and you as well, Aragorn, son of Arathorn, have a problem worth discussing. But first, let us solve Frodo's dilemma. The problem you have set up is side angle side. Thus, we can use the law of cosines to determine your distance from Mordor, and hopefully we can help Aragorn as well.
But what is the law of cosines, Gandalf?
The law of cosines helps you find the side lengths or angle measurements of oblique triangles. You use the law of cosines on side angle side, side side side, or side side angle problems. When using the law of cosines, you can use the equations a squared plus b equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine a. B squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine b, or c squared equals a squared plus b squared 2ab cosine c. In your problem, we are trying to find the value c, which is the distance you are from Mordor. To set up a problem, we first need to plug the other variables we were giving into the equation. Our value for a is 35.35 miles, and our value for b is 50 miles. Angle c is 105 degrees. This is what your finished equation will look like. Ensure that your graphing calculator is in degree mode, then solve for c. This will give you the distance to Mordor. Now that we know the distance from your position to Mordor, Aragorn, we can find how far it is to Minas Tirith by setting up another side angle side problem. For this problem, we need to find b. We will set the equation equal to b squared, as in b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine b. Since value a is 95.12 miles, value c is 68.3 miles, and angle b is 35 degrees, we can discern that the distance between you and Minas Tirith is 55.4 miles.
So I have to travel 68.3 miles to reach Mordor before the orcs do? They only have to go 35.35 miles.
And I not only have to travel, but also reclaim my crown and organize an army to defend Minas Tirith.
Yes, Frodo, so you'd best be moving now. Aragorn, do not fret, you must never pause. Use the law of cosines whenever you have another problem. Until then, fly, you fools!